Those of you who have followed my scrutiny of the hordes of misinformants out there will know that former osteopathic physician Joe Mercola is not one of my favorite people. He's been slapped on the wrist by FDA for promoting all kinds of useless supplements, and he has taken issue with FDA. And virtually every day now, he comes out with some type of incredible misinformation, and he has legions and legions of followers. Needless to say, he is against the vaccines. Not only does he think that they're useless, he thinks that they are dangerous. He thinks that masks are counterproductive. And the only way that you can battle the virus is by investing in the supplements that he sells. But I have to give Mercola begrudging credit for being inventive. His latest attack on Pfizer, a company, of course, he dislikes because they have produced a vaccine that kills people, according to him. And it's all about the slap heard around the world, Will Smith's slap of Chris Rock, the Oscars. According to Mercola, this was all a publicity stunt. Why? Well, it says Pfizer was one of the sponsors of the Oscars, and Pfizer is also testing out a new drug for alopecia areata, a condition from which Will Smith's wife suffers. And this was essentially the butt of the somewhat tasteless joke that Chris Rock made. Well, anyway, Mercola says that this was all a setup. It was all pre-planned, some sort of conspiracy between Pfizer and the producers of the Oscars to lend publicity to the new drug that Pfizer is going to introduce for alopecia areata. Well, that drug is certainly not imminent, and this kind of allegation is just beyond the pale. I mean, what can you say? But let's face it is kind of inventive, although absurd. It is the kind of twist on a story that only a twisted mind, like the one that Joe Mercola has, could come up with. And that for today is our Cup of Joe.